Growing up with acne has been a big problem in my life. I've distanced myself from my friends, families, and loved ones. I was ashamed to be out in public, in church, and in school. My insecurities were overrun by the little dots on my face. My facial problems has become a weakness for me to be myself every day. Thankfully, I found about aloe. The aloe contains vitamins A, C, and E, and mostly the aloe vera gel, which is a natural antibacterial substance. You can apply it on your face and can easily cure your acne. And now, I'm able to enjoy time with families, friends, especially my loved ones. I get to roam around in public, in church, and in school. With the help of aloe, I get to live my life again.